Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on translation in the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it opens up in the Explore page where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on Profile. And then under the Settings section we find Translation. We tap on this. And here we have a button which we can toggle, turn on or turn off, which by turning it on, the reviews, descriptions and messages written by guests and hosts will be translated into English. So, for example, if there's a foreigner or someone whose language we don't understand, we can turn this on and then it's going to be translated. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.